What if all wind on Earth suddenly stopped forever? The world would fall into an eerie silence as every flag hangs perfectly still. But this isn't peaceful. Deadly smog would trap cities in poison domes with nowhere to escape. Birds would plummet from the sky as flight becomes impossible without air currents. Planes would crash as wings can't generate lift in motionless air. Plants couldn't spread pollen, causing crops to die and triggering global famine. Wildfires would burn in perfect expanding circles, unstoppable but contained. The ocean would turn into glass, stranding every sailing ship forever. Windmills would freeze, ending clean energy. Without air circulation, some places would become blazing hot while others freeze solid. Weather would collapse completely. No storms, no rain clouds moving across continents. Massive dead zones would form, where water never falls again. The planet would divide into zones of extreme heat and bitter cold with no way to balance temperatures. In this perfectly still world, would humanity find a way to survive, or would the silence become our final sound?